So this is your spacious living area where there's a spacious kitchen that comes with a big window. This is your grand looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at GR Samskruti, which is located at Attipalli Sarjapura Road by the builder GR Constructions for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot in detail about the project, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Well, Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up and go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So let's talk about the project overview. The project GR Samskruti is built on a land parcel of 4.3 acres with 1 towers, and the available stories are a basement plus ground plus 13 floors, and the available variants are 2 and 3 BHK with 414 units. Talking about the connectivity, this project is just a few minutes away from Sarjapura and Attipalli main road, and Azim Premji University and Oxford Medical College are just a few minutes drive from this project. So let's talk about the amenities. This project has 10 plus modern amenities such as a gymnasium, clubhouse, party hall, kids play area, kids swimming pool, yoga lawn, jogging track, multi-purpose game court and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 3 BHK sample flat called GR Samskruti for a sample flat tour. So let's get inside. As you walk inside, you can see this spacious foyer area where you can put your shoe rack and other decorative items. And as you walk in further, so this is your spacious living area where there's ample amount of space for your sofa, table and television units. And this is your dining area. So as you can see, even the dining area is super spacious and comfortable where you can put your dining table and chairs. And near the dining area we have the balcony with the French sliding door. So this is your balcony, which is super spacious and super big for you to decorate it the way you want with your sitting arrangements and a garden area. So yes, look at the garden space. It is super spacious on either side of the balcony, on my left as well on the right side. So yes, you have so much space for you to customize the way you want, and you can spend your leisure time over here. So this is your balcony, and now it's time to check the kitchen area. So this way to the kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen that comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So you can customize it the way just like this with a modular kitchen. And this kitchen has a utility area. So this is your utility area, which is super spacious for your washing machine and for other utility things. So yes, everything is super big and well designed. Now it's time to check the first bedroom. So this way to the first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom with the super space for your bed, wardrobe. On both the side you can see there's wardrobe area, and we have space for your television unit, your dressing area as well as the study table. And this room has a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. And under the window, yes, we have some storage units as well. So yes, this is your window. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there's window for ventilation and space for storage units as well. So yes, it's super big and comfortable. And now it's time to check the second bedroom. So this way to the second bedroom. But before looking at the second bedroom, let's check the common bathroom. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment and window for ventilation. And now it's time to check the second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom, which is super big. So much space has been provided for the bed, wardrobe, television area as well as your study table and the dressing table. And this room has a very big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. Yes, so very comfortable. And now it's time to check the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide a sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and cons, why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's head to the master bedroom. So yes, this is your grand looking master bedroom. Ample amount of space has been provided for your bed, wardrobe, and this is your dressing area or it could be your study area. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, window for ventilation, and a space for your storage units as well. And this bedroom comes with a big window for ventilation and for natural sunlight. So yes, and under the window you have some storage spaces as well. So yes, everything is super spacious and super comfortable and very well designed. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do mention it in the comment section below, and if you have any feedback, we welcome all kind of constructive feedback. And before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Housey to know about such beautiful projects. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project GR Samskruti, which is located at Attibile Sarjapuram Main Road by the builder GR Constructions.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.